doing a wee favour for one of the neighbours. It's a new project, sharpening lawnmower. Right, Andy, if you just stop pointing it in the right direction. There we go. The camera bit's at the top. Excellent. Right.
And what do I press?
So that's it. No, it's just recording.
I just keep...
And it gives us an angle, nice blade all the way there, and then we'll adjust the adjusters there, which brings down the other part of the cutting, because at the moment that's just clearing, and then to hold it in place you just got a bit clamped, and we're getting way on with the pickup as well.